Objectives: to know and identify the main parts of a Bunsen burner, know the products of combustion, know the different flames, what they are for, and how to change from one flame to another. What is Bunsen burner? A Bunsen burner is a type of gas burner commonly used as a heat source in laboratory experiments. The burner consists of a flat base with a straight tube extended vertically, known as a barrel or chimney. There are different parts of the Bunsen burner. First, the flame or the outer cone, flame or inner cone, the air, the barrel or chimney, the collar or air regulator, the air hole, the gas valve, the base, the gas, and the rubber tubing. The first one is the flame outer cone or the flame inner cone. It produces a single open gas flame and is used for heating, sterilization, and combustion. The gas can be natural gas, which is mainly methane, or a liquefied petroleum gas such as propane, butane, or a mixture.
The second part is the barrel or chimney, to raise the height of the flame for ease of use. The third part is collar, turned to open or close the air hole to obtain the required flame type. The fourth part is the base, too wide and heavy so that the burner is less likely to topple. Next is the rubber tubing, are used to transfer the gas into a Bunsen burner. The next is the air hole, to allow air to enter the burner. And the last part is gas valve, to carry the gas from the gas tap.
What is combustion? Combustion is another word for burning. In a combustion reaction, a fuel is heated and it reacts with oxygen. When fuels burn in combustion reactions, they release useful thermal energy or heat.
What is the difference between complete combustion from incomplete combustion? Complete combustion takes place in the presence of a sufficient amount of oxygen, while an incomplete combustion reaction takes place when there is an insufficient amount of oxygen supply. What makes a gas flame luminous? Luminous flame is formed when the air hole is closed, thus the gas will only mix with surrounding air at the point of combustion at the top of the burner, and is yellow due to an incomplete reaction. It is also caused by the small soot particles, which is carbon in the flame. What type of flame is suitable for heating purposes? Bunsen burner is named after Robert Bunsen. It is a common piece of laboratory equipment that produces a single open gas flame which is used for heating, sterilizing, or combustion.
Conclusion. Where is the hottest and the coldest region of the flame? The hottest region of the flame, up to 1200 degrees Celsius, lies at the tip of the outer blue cone. Inside the inner blue cone, when combustion is incomplete, the flame is the coolest. B. How will you light up and turn off the burner? Lighting Bunsen burner. Close the needle valve as well as the collar. Fully open the gas valve. 1/2 turn the needle valve open. Light the flame with a spark or lighter. Turning off the Bunsen burner. Extinguishing the flame by turning the gas valve handle to the off position is the best technique to turn off the Bunsen burner. Turn the needle valve clockwise to close it. Turn off the main gas supply. Before turning on the gas, always ignite the match or lighter. Before utilizing the Bunsen burner, make sure the tubing and gas valve are all in good working order. Long hair should be tied back and long sleeves should not be worn loosely. At all times, keep your hair, clothing, and hands a safe distance away from the flame.